slightly different video. Hey, what's up guys, I'm Paterson, welcome back to a new video, and today I just wanted to do a very quick video that will help you guys. It's not going to be very fancy or anything like that, not that I create very fancy content anyway, but I feel like there's things that I want to show you guys or tell you guys that I can't tell you in normal videos, so I'm just going to make it into a separate video like this that I can just quickly bash out and give to you. The creative industry is hard, and I think a lot of people assume that in the creative industry that it's quite easy. You can just get work and, you know, it must be great just drawing at home and stuff. And that is true. It is great. When you get work, it's great. But there's always this roadblock in life as a creative where you literally burn out of creative juices and you don't take a break. Now this video, I'm not telling you that I'm taking a break, because I'm not. I just feel like I want to share this with you guys so it's actually on my channel so people can look at it if they want to and get my thoughts on it. But sometimes we do genuinely need to take a break. And a lot of people are scared of creative block, and they think that they need to take a break through creative block. But let me tell you this, something that will inspire you is that when you're in the worst creative block where you don't know what to draw and you feel like everything you're making is bad, remember this, that is your time to recuperate. I'm going to tell you a little story with a moral in it, and I'll try and find it online somewhere so you can read it again later on. But it's a story about two lumberjacks. Bear with me, this will make sense. So one day these two lumberjacks were at work and they were literally just cutting wood. And the first lumberjack said to the second one saying, "I bet I can cut more wood than you today." And the second one says, "I bet you can't, so we better just, you know, try this out and have a bit of a competition." They both agreed, and the second lumberjack said, "Yep, let's do it. We've got till 5 PM until we clock off. It is now 12 PM and we've got 5 hours to cut as much wood as possible, and at the end we'll count the wood and whoever's got the most wood wins." So the first lumberjack grabs his axe, throws down his sandwich, and he's just cutting the wood like crazy. And right now they keep working out, and an hour later you can see that the second lumberjack is starting to slow down a little bit, but the first one, it just keeps going and he's proper swinging his axe, and you can see that loads of wood has been made and been stacked up. Give it another hour, it's like 3 o'clock now. The second lumberjack is just sat down, but the first one is just carrying on, and you can see the first one sweating, but the second lumberjack is just sat down, turning away from the first lumberjack. So the lumberjack that's working really hard is saying to himself, you know, if he keeps taking breaks like this, I'm going to absolutely floor him. I'm going to have so much more wood than him because he's just sat down doing nothing. So time passes and it hits 5 PM and they both go to each other with their blocks of wood and see how much wood they've got. And to the lumberjack's surprise, the second one, the one that was taking a break, had more wood. And the first lumberjack says to the second one, "That isn't possible. I was cutting wood. I did not take a single break. I broke my back doing this. And you were just sat down. You sat down 3 times. And the second lumberjack says, "Yeah, because as I was sat down taking a break, I was sharpening my axe." So that story there is literally a story that I live by. That when I'm feeling the pressure of work, whether it's YouTube or whatever, in the status that we have now in YouTube, it means that we always have to be uploading more and more and more. But the problem is that, you know, we never take a break. So we can carry on working so hard, but we're not working smart enough. We're just working for the sake of it. When in reality, when we take a break, we're refining and refueling and sharpening our axes so we can cut down more efficiently. So the moral of this video is, guys, make sure that you're taking a break. Make sure you're learning when you're taking a break as well. Set time aside for your other hobbies and things that you like to do, whether that's gaming or reading books or whatever, or going on holiday and traveling. You know, when you do that, you're sharpening your axe so you're more effective when you come back. I know this has been a bit of a strange video, guys, but I hope you enjoy it, because it's something that I really wanted to show you guys, and it's something that I think every creative person needs to know when they are doing things all the time and their money is spent on it and they've got so much passion. I just want to give a huge shout out as well to FreshBooks for sponsoring this video. FreshBooks is an online accounting software that I use to send invoices, to gather up expenses, and to see whether a client has seen my emails and to get paid faster. You can send quotes and proposals and you can get paid directly from FreshBooks. There's like a little button at the side where they can pay you then and now. You get paid 30% quicker through using FreshBooks than you would in any other payment or accounting software. And the best thing by far about FreshBooks is that you can see when a client has seen their invoice. It shows you if they have viewed it. So there's no more of this "I didn't see the invoice." If you'd like a free 30-day trial risk-free of FreshBooks, please click that link down below and also make sure to tell them that Will Paterson sent you to them. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that red subscribe button, and also YouTube have been mucking about again. So if you don't want to be missing out on any of my videos, the subscription feed is messed up. You need to go ahead and click that red bell or that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you never miss out on a notification from me when I'm uploading a new video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below and I'll catch you in the next video, which could be a live stream. See you soon. Goodbye.